cucumber from Spain and a cucumber from Netherlands. Which one is better? This one or this one? It's so soft, you guys. I got 3 of this one. Then I also got some nectarines. I haven't tried this fruit, so I'm gonna try it. I also got blueberries. They got fresh cherries over here. Let's get one strawberry. Cucumber from Spain and a cucumber from Netherlands.
That's suspicious.
Which one do you like? Which one is better? This one or this one? They also have this one. A mini.
Look at the price difference.
70 cents for the big one.
That one's $1.72 per pound.
Oh my god.
I was eating these in Turkey.
What is it?
Greek yogurt with honey.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, but leaking on me. We basically spent 155 bucks.
Oh, hey guys, we went to the supermarket for the first time here in the UK. So here are some of the stuff that we got. It's actually really surprising because we spent like, how much, babe? 155 bucks for our first trip to the grocery. But you know, we went there for the first time, so we were kind of like surprised seeing all the stuff that we liked. So we kind of like, oh, I like this, oh, I like this, I like this, I like this. Gets out of hand when you're like that. So first one is very important, rice, some Orbit gum. We also have strawberry kiwi splash. The hub said this is good. Is this good? The hubs also had this one, dulce de leche toast crunch. Okay, this one is smoked ham and turkey. So these are the fruits that we got. Red plums. I haven't tried this one, so it's gonna be interesting. Some mini apricots. I don't even know how fresh apricots, like the real fruit, tastes like. So that's gonna be interesting as well. And then I got a nectarine. I don't even know how to eat this one. Do we eat it like an apple? Do we slice it or what? We also got some cookies. So this is like one of the random stuff. The hubs was like, oh, a cookie. We got the cookie carnival. We also got this one. We got an oven over there. So I wanted to try it. The only thing is, I don't know if we have a pan for the oven.
Stupid!
Have some minced garlic over here. I wanted to have garlic rice. Some salt and pepper, some tahini, some sugar. We have coffee. We got the filters. Here is another bag. We got Hawaiian sweet rolls. I wanted to try this one and see if this is actually really yummy. I love bread. We also have some regular white sandwich bread, some Munster cheese, his favorite chocolate. We also got some toothpaste, vitamins, some shampoo, body wash. So another thing that we got is Gain. This is for the washer. I got some cotton rounds, foot odor stuff, because I don't want my feet to smell. Some Gatorade, pack of water. We also bought oil, and then we also got the Febreze. So this is our fridge, and these are the stuff that are already here. We bought a tray of eggs, some milk, and I got this one. We have the water. We got some apple juice, creamer, and then the hubs also got some Nesquik drink. We got other fruits in here, strawberry, key lime, and giant cucumbers. And then this one is chicken. So that's it for our fridge. Good morning, guys. So we just woke up, opened the windows, and I'm gonna take you because the Hubs is busy doing our breakfast. We got coffee going in here, some eggs. I don't think the pan is hot yet.
Some pan. Turkey.
Is there a bowl? Parang hindi pa siya hinog. I don't think the apricots are ready. I don't know. I haven't eaten an apricot. I don't know. Let's try the strawberries. They're so yummy. It almost tastes like it's artificially flavored. What?
Seriously?
Did you put salt and pepper on my egg?
Oh shit, no.
Divorce then.
Divorce.
Yes, divorce.
Okay.
There's like a weird taste of the coffee. And I looked at the Starbucks that we got, and it says here, notes of brown sugar and sweet orange. Like, that must be it. That must be the weird flavor that I was tasting, because
What the hell is even that?
someone is getting a haircut today.
Oh my God!
A few moments later.
Oh, new haircut. Look here. Hey guys, so we are in the gas station right now and we have a rental car. That's why you're in the compartment. We don't have the phone holder yet. Now the husband is pumping gas outside right now, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna be snacking. We bought this one inside, and this one is maple pecans, but this one has 4 things in it. Pecans, they have the cherry, apple, and walnuts. It's actually really good. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This one. Really good. Love it. I love it. This one's a bit expensive though. $4.99.
Bruh.
So expensive. Someone did it.
Pain in the ass.
It wasn't pumping anything. And then so I was like, well, maybe I'm doing it wrong. So I looked at the instructions and I followed the instructions. Still nothing. I was about to go up to the window and ask. And then, yeah. And then apparently it just takes a while for it to start pumping. Like, so you just have to like press it like this. Yeah, you have to hold it there and it finally started. It just didn't, like when I held it initially, it like, wasn't starting. I held it for a good while. And nothing.
Patience. 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 First time here in Sainsbury's. This is the local supermarket in here. So we're gonna see what they have. I'm so happy that the sun is actually so bright right now and the sky is blue. I love it. Go and win. Or mini apples, 85 pence. Small pineapples, like just the size of my hand, for 95 pence. British strawberries, 1.5. They got cherries too. They got mangoes, and this is different kind of mango. This is not like Philippine mango. They also got some coconut, like this. What are you looking at?
There's chicken wings, right?
Oh, we're here in my favorite aisle. All the bread. Oh, they got this. Crumpets. Oh, what is that? Thin bagels. Thin bagels? Got thin bagels as well over here. This one is the regular bagels.
They have naan at the bottom.
Oh, but they got naan for £1. Of course, they got the croissants. They got sultana scones. That's yummy. Babe, how do you say this one? They got brioche rolls. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? £1.60. They got this one too, with chocolate chips. And I got this whole section of freshly made bread as well. The Hubs is actually walking to get a basket now. They also got their own loaves of bread. They got this one, seeded wholemeal. They got soft white, that's super toasty, medium. Wow, soft to the last slice. See, they got so many. They got Belgian cookies. They got brownie bites, millionaire bites, Rocky Road. They also got some donuts in here. I'm gonna go and get this one. I'll try it. Look at this. They got whole chicken over here. Pomegranate. Cocktail sausages. What? Picnic egg. What in the world is that? Mini egg bites. They got mini cheese and onion rolls and mini sausage rolls. How do you say this one? Quiche? Like, I have a question. Several kinds of hummus. Takeaway pizza as well. They even got stuffed crust pizza. So many ham. Chicken slices, honey cured, cooked ham slices. We got this kind of ham. We got shredded ones. So many. Cottage pie, shepherd's pie, fish pie. They got different kinds of milk. Oh my goodness. Lots and lots and lots of butter. Their milk also comes in plastic gallons like this. We are getting this one, this garlic mushroom and cream sauce, because we're gonna cook chicken and rice later, and we're gonna have this one. Oops. Found this peeled potatoes in water. This would be really handy. This spam in here is so small. They got the chips over here. Cool original and chili heat wave. That's new. Cookies as well and chocolates. Oh, caramel.
Ah, there is a small one.
These are some of their cereals. They got Magnum ice cream. Woo! About a bag.
So that comes to
Got it! Yay! So we are making dinner. We're gonna start with making some rice. Napalit na ako guys because we want some comfy clothes while making dinner. See, I can't open it.
Yeah, it's a little wonky, but it worked.
sauce, but with the sauce, it's like even better.
Kakatapos na namin mag-dinner, guys. And look, it's already 8 p.m. But look how bright it is outside. It's still so bright. Oh my goodness. Ganyan kaliwanag. 8 o'clock.